Hey friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in the crypto world: how to make passive income with DeFi. That's right, we're talking about yield farming and staking, two of the hottest ways to grow your crypto portfolio without lifting a finger. By the end of this 2-hour deep dive, you'll know exactly how to get started, what to watch out for, and how to maximize your earnings. So, grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get into it. First things first, what is DeFi? DeFi stands for decentralized finance. Think of it as the financial system you know, but without the banks, middlemen, or paperwork. Instead, it's built on blockchain technology, primarily Ethereum, and it allows anyone with an internet connection to lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest on their crypto. Sounds cool, right? But how does it work? Let's break it down. Passive income in DeFi is all about putting your crypto to work. Instead of letting it sit idle in your wallet, you can earn rewards by participating in activities like yield farming and staking. But here's the kicker: these methods come with different levels of risk and reward. So, let's start with the basics. Staking is like earning interest in a savings account, but way more lucrative. Here's how it works: some blockchains, like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, or Solana, use a system called proof of stake, POS, to validate transactions. Instead of miners, they have validators, and you can become one by locking up, or staking, your crypto. In return, you earn rewards, usually in the form of more crypto. The more you stake, the more you earn. Simple, right? But wait, there's more. Staking isn't just about earning rewards. It also helps secure the network. So, you're not just making money, you're contributing to the blockchain's growth. Win-win. Ready to start staking? Here's how: choose a cryptocurrency that supports staking, like ETH, ADA, or DOT. Pick a staking platform. This could be an exchange like Binance or a wallet like Ledger. Transfer your crypto to the platform and lock it up. Sit back and watch your rewards roll in. But remember, staking usually requires you to lock up your funds for a certain period, so make sure you're okay with that before diving in. Now, let's talk about the risks. Staking isn't risk-free. For one, the value of your crypto can fluctuate. So, even if you're earning rewards, the price of the coin could drop, leaving you with less than you started. Also, some platforms have slashing penalties if the network experiences issues. So, always do your research before staking. Next up, we have yield farming, the more advanced, and potentially more profitable, cousin of staking. Yield farming involves lending or providing liquidity to DeFi platforms in exchange for rewards. Think of it like this: you're the bank, and you're earning interest on the loans you provide. But here's where it gets interesting. Yield farming often involves liquidity pools of tokens locked in a smart contract that enable trading on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap. In return for providing liquidity, you earn a share of the trading fees and sometimes even additional tokens as rewards. Ready to become a yield farmer? Here's how: choose a DeFi platform, like Uniswap or Aave. Deposit your crypto into a liquidity pool. Earn rewards in the form of trading fees and tokens. But beware, yield farming is more complex than staking. You'll need to understand concepts like impermanent loss and APY, annual percentage yield. Don't worry, we'll cover those in a bit. Yield farming isn't for the faint of heart. The biggest risk is impermanent loss. This happens when the price of the tokens in your liquidity pool changes, reducing the value of your holdings. There's also the risk of smart contract vulnerabilities, which could lead to hacks. So, always start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now that we've covered both, let's compare them. Staking is simpler, safer, and more predictable, but the rewards are usually lower. Yield farming, on the other hand, is riskier and more complex, but the potential rewards can be much higher. It all depends on your risk tolerance and how hands-on you want to be. Here are some pro tips to maximize your earnings. Diversify your investments across multiple platforms. Keep an eye on APY rates, they can change quickly. Reinvest your rewards to compound your earnings. Stay updated on the latest DeFi trends and opportunities. To make your DeFi journey easier, here are some tools and resources. DeFi Pulse for tracking the top DeFi projects. Zapper for managing your DeFi portfolio. Yield Watch for monitoring your yield farming rewards. These tools will help you stay on top of your investments and make informed decisions. And that's it, friends. You now have a solid understanding of how to make passive income with DeFi through yield farming and staking. Remember, the crypto world moves fast, so always stay informed and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy farming and staking!